Hey, this is my 2026 film of the elevators at Scheels, all sports. We got a pair of Otis Gen 3 elevators here. Two. Let's go to two. 1R and 2R are locked. Yep, they're staff floors and they put a security camera in here. There's a cab view. Here we are at 2. 1 is a 2-speed door and the door close button works. Back up to 2 and to switch the other elevator.
You going up?
Yes.
My nose is running.
You know why?
Allergic.
No.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Here's your fixtures. Otis Gen 3, your ADA phone. And the capacity is 4,000 pounds. Send it down to 1, get the other elevator. Here. Let's go down. That one just went to 1. Here it is. Key switch. Here you go. There's another cab view in here. This is bank 2 here. It's January 1st, 2026, as you see. 2. It's a 2-speed door. After this, we're going to go to the other elevators. There's also a security camera in here. Let's go down to 1. There's the Ferris wheel right there. Iowa Smokehouse. Your fixtures, Otis Gen 3. Kind of looked like Gen 2 to me. ADA phone and the capacity is 4,000 pounds. That's it.